Good morning, Vlogmas day 9. We are packing. I'm just about finished. I could have done a time lapse, but I'm tired. I didn't think of it. I'll give you one last view of our pretty view. It's cold. It rained a lot, so you can see it's like kind of bringing up some mud. But yeah, it's come to an end. And man, am I tired. I'm sure Tabitha will agree with me, but she's packing because she now has to drive 7.5 hours, and that's assuming she doesn't stop. So yeah, makeup down my face, but you guys are used to that. Especially, it was funny, some of the people I met, they're like, I love that you're a hot mess. Like, your hair is all over, and I'm like, you're welcome. This is real life. I'm not gonna put makeup on every day to talk to a camera. So I'm gonna head out and
what does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down.
just hanging out with the Deems in front of the fire. It is a little bit past 1 and I am exhausted. So just figured just hang out by the fire and be lazy for the day. That's a lie. I had to go film a voiceover for my nail channel and figure out what the heck I am doing with all the footage for Winter Playland. So I am washing the sheets and this little man got up here. Hi. You couldn't wait till I was done? Well, they just dried. And do you miss Mom? So yeah, gotta put this back together. You may be wondering why you're on my phone and not my camera. Well, it's because I'm actually editing stuff and I'm filming. So I'll film, I have my tripod here, and I was wearing my ugly sweater. And you know, editing in my ugly sweater and like looking at it, like it's not terrible. I mean, it's literally supposed to be an ugly sweater. It's for my ugly sweater thing on Saturday, but it looks good. Like it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't look bad in the video, but it's such a contrast. So I switched to this guy, but I'm finishing that video with that sweater, and then I switched to my Erin Condren sweater, just like the one that I got in Austin. Thankfully, I might cook dinner. And I think I'm working from home tomorrow. I would love to sleep in, but it's not gonna happen. And then I will be in Tuesday. We're throwing our coworker a surprise baby shower, and I'm really excited. So I edited the Get Ready With Us, and then I edited part 1. And now I'm gonna work on part 2. And then I also have to film the swag. I don't know if you can see, yeah, I actually have my sticker thing in front of it, but there are like 3 bags of swag. And we got a whole bunch of samplers and stuff, so I'm going to go through those, and then I will post that as a 4th video. I originally said in my other video I would do 3, but I think I'm gonna do 4. And I also kind of want to chop my nails off. Like, I want them to be like naked. Who am I? Ooh, it just finished my nail one though, like this guy. So this is my candy cane tutorial. It's such a big difference, especially, yeah. So I'm on a editing, I guess, track. I don't know. But I feel like if I don't edit now, I'm going to forget things that happen in Winter Planner Land, and I need to like brain dump essentially. So that's literally all I've been doing today. I've just been editing, filming and editing, but I'm ready for a break, and I really should just maybe wait until after work tomorrow to do part 2, but I don't know. I kind of just want to get it done. And I don't know when Tabitha's part 2 is going to go up for the Get Ready With Me. I don't want to rush her because obviously, but I need mine to go up because I feel like the longer I wait, the less people will be excited about it. Does that make sense? Like, I posted 2 weeks later and no one really cares. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And hopefully, I had to get the nail video edited because I want to upload that actually now, because I'm doing every 3 days and it actually ended up being the 4th day. Saturday was the 3rd day for this. So I'm off a little bit, but I should be able to catch up.
He's a little feisty. You hear little purr bubbies? What you doing? Little purr bubbies? You miss Mom?
For a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
Does anyone else drink, you have to excuse me, I just made my bed so my hair is extra staticky, orange juice at night? I feel like I only do it at night. There's just something about cold orange juice at night. Do you see something? What you doing? What you doing? All right, guys, I am going to end this here. I am tired. We had a long weekend, so I am going to end it and go to bed. I still have to edit the other one tomorrow, but it's gonna have to be tomorrow. It's 10 o'clock. I edited 3 videos today, all very heavily edited. So yes, it's time for me to go to bed. Good night, guys.